dickhead. Hey, look.
No, I only got one.
Good parking.
Good parking.
Ah, yeah.
Dirty bitch.
And no one wants to play.
Come on then, speed up.
No, they do that on purpose.
Oh my god!
They do that on purpose. They'll pull out, slow down, have a look in their mirror just to make sure that you are angry, and then they'll speed up.
You need to fix the blow coast.
What's
Yeah,
what?
that's what I was thinking. What the hell's happened to him? Fix the blow coast, Benji.
Oh, he's pulled it on someone else, hasn't he? That's what. Mate, there's a path, man. There's a path, you knobhead. You fucking idiot. Wow.
This Benji only getting knobhead already.
He's just walking down the middle of the fucking road. Dickhead. Anyway. Hello.
Morning, Benji.
Navigation door is open.
Okay.
Please close the navigation door.
Okay.
So what are you going to do with yourself all weekend?
Video? Doing something? Trying to do something? There's so many bellends today. Someone else did that to me earlier.
Is he unhappy?
I don't know why.
Oh, pissy bitch!
And then it slows down anyway.
I know!
That is never a parked car, is it? Is there anyone in there? Ah, there's no one in the fucking car. Wow, good parking.
Really?
He's on the phone. What's up, Britt? So there's dickheads everywhere today. What a prick. You indicate fucking to pull in and then you carry on like a bellend. Nice one, nice one. Tell this person to speed up.
Speed up.
Louder, they can't hear you.
Speed up.
Pushy little fucker. I know, what a dickhead, I know. Do you ring?
I can't. Oh my.
What'd you do there?
Wrong gear.
Are you jumping gears again?
Yeah.
Oh, Benjamin!
Daddy.
Sorry.
It's my daddy. I give him to.
Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Hey, that's a good. Oh, no, he's gone.
What?
I was going to fix his brake lights, but he disappeared. Oh, yes, we can do it on this one, Alexi.
Oh, okay.
Where's your button gone? Go cha-ching! Cha-ching! Alexi.
Cha-ching!
Thank you. Wow. So we got excellent indication and fucking excellent brake lights as well. What a penis. What a penis. I wonder if you've seen that. He indicated right and just launched left.
They take forever. Why is he saying thank you? You didn't know, right?
He's not saying thank you. I think he's saying sorry, dickhead. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, did you see him flapping around in there?
I know. She was there cleaning her fucking window.
Was she cleaning her window?
Yeah.
She should have done that before she started driving.
Yeah. really, really, really held my hand down. I really wanted to beat the fucking idiot.
Stop coughing.
Dirty bitch!
Daddy!
Babe,
What?
how do unicorns get to the park?
The policeman can speed when it says there's a speed limit.
No, they can fight
No, on a
unicorn.
unicycle.
No.
Hang on.
Why?
Let's catch up with the policeman.
No. I take that off. I take that. Drop it. Why?
So if it's okay for him to do it, then I can do it, yeah?
You can't
Is that how it goes?
stop
Yeah?
Well, I think it is, yeah. If he can speed, then why can't you?
No, somebody hit me in school and just pushed me down a purpose.
No way.
A boy
Was it? Well, what you got to do, push him back next time.
called Oliver.
Alright, with Oliver pushes you again.
Yeah, he pushed me like 5 times.
Yeah, if he pushes you again.
He was pretending to shoot me, so I went inside and told Miss Robinson and all the boys from outside needs to come in for the whole day.
Right.
So only girls are allowed out there, but Irina's a
If
girl.
Charlie, whatever his name is, pushes you again, you push him back, make sure he falls over, Oliver, and then you go tell your teacher. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna push him worse than I do because he is really, really rude.
Right,
And
okay.
Felix and Oliver are best friends, and they're shooting me.
Okay. Yeah, don't let people push you about.
Yeah, and they're even trying to take my shoe away. I'm trying to snap them in half.
Alright, well you take your shoe off and whack them around the head with it. That's what you gotta do. You have your shoe now, just chuck it at their face. So you go take it.
Low bed. Lady the low bed. Hey. Okay, low bed. If you call me another one more time, I will slap you. Okay, low bed. Stop calling me another, I will slap you again. Low bed. Stop calling me another.
You're going to have to save this just for our personal use.
No bed, slide it. If you call me one more time, no bed, you will get a treat from the McDonald's or toy or anything. Okay, I mean this is our plan. Anything. For you, everybody else is not no bad, except you are no bad. Just you are no bad. Maybe. No talking this. Where you going? Cause you in the front. In the front. Just where you going? Maybe.
She's right, you need to turn around and look where you're going.
You ain't.
We're going in the front.
Oh, okay, no bad. Okay, no bad. Hey, you come here one more time, no bad. I will slap you, no bad.
Are you laughing?
No bad. Yeah, for you too. No bad. No bad, baby. And what? No bad, maybe. Hey, baby. Crazy, no bad. It's hot.
Don't go all the way down, Mummy's cold.
And I am cold.
Do your window open, please.